Hi guys, a very good evening. Masura say. So let us take a look on ZANU PF lies. So in 2018 they were talking about free education next year. That was around 2019, and in 2022 they were also talking about free education next year. That is around 2023. And in the rural areas, people always fall for these traps because unenge uchitadza kuraisa even $10 yefees and worse for around $30 yefees inenge ichidiwa, you'll be failing to raise such amounts of fees. So what will happen is that the people will say, okay, ndozvatiri kuda, toda free education, toda kuti vana vedu vaende mahara kuchikoro, and you'll be told kuti tichakupai matextbook, tichavaka zvikoro, madeski achauya, all sorts of lies, and you'll believe them. But at the end of the day, fast forward to 2024, you'll be told kuti government gazettes school fees for 2024. Why are you gazetting school fees for 2024? You are telling us kuti vabereki vachanga bvisa $10, $15, $20 zvichienderana nekwamuri, but $10 yacho iri kubatika here? How many kids do I have? Kune mubereki wekuti ane vana 5 vari kuenda kuchikoro, they need uniforms, they need school fees, anewana kupi mari iyoyo? So umwe mubereki ari kutoratidza kubhadharira mwana 1 $30. What more about munhu ane 5 vana? Vari vafanira kutenga mabhuku evana, vafanira kutenga matextbook evana kuti vana vagone kuverenga vari kudzimba. All those issues in Zimbabwe. I know a lot of people will say munhu angashaya $10 ekubhadhara mwana fees, but not everybody affords the same way you afford. If you afford, it doesn't mean that everybody affords. If you do not afford also, doesn't mean that everyone do not afford. So in this case, Team Zimbabwe, we are saying it's simple. The government must be sincere and must tell the people the truth. Kuti hatina mari dzatichabvisa, endai munobhadhara school fees as usual, so that parents will always be prepared to go and pay fees. So those are zero on Zimbabwe, but this is embarrassing. Honestly, you cannot promise what you cannot fulfill. This is the kind of government which we have. It always makes promises but never fulfills such promises. And where do you go with such a government? Nowhere. So I know a lot of people will come to attack us and say all sorts of things, but that is the truth. $10 fees for a whole term. It's more like free kumusha, they pay $5. And zandaona kumisha kurubadura $5. So far, fees and less than is $10. Okay, so hanzi something that costs $5 is not free, those repo. When campaign next, say affordable fees next year, and it's true. Talk about affordable fees. If you cannot afford to give us free education, be specific, be truthful. That is the kind of government yet in order, irresponsible. Don't lie to the people and fail to fulfill your promises. So ZANU has to explain why failing to fulfill all these empty promises. So they don't care. And people still cast votes for these guys for a cup of rice. So those no needs on Zimbabwe. I don't know. The argument here is not about the amount of fees, it's about the lies. Free education and affordable education are two different things. What do you prefer as an individual? Let us talk in the comment section.